You wanna do it again? Do it again. Go, ikaw na. 1, 2, 3. Si Ate Baby na picture? Yes, walang picture. Ana! O, diba? Both legs lang? O, wala. Ayaw mo isahan side. Yes. Kagalayin. Kagalayin. One leg in front, other leg at the back. Other leg at the back. Distribute away. Pagkati ang likod, bumugat na. Ana! Taga ka dito. Ang leg kaya, di na kaya. Bend one knee. Knees to chest. Good. And then ito taga. Yes. Kaya ka dito. For the picture, all of you tulo. Katulakan ang mutalan. Ang tulo. Okay. Okay. Para for picture, ang isa group picture.
Pangwayas ang kabutian.
Steady ka mga bumayos. Lasa kayo. Yan ang tama ha. Sige. Ilasa ayaw sa pag-big. Mata sila. Ano sa ka? Ako di ko pinag-double kiss sa kita. Anak ka, may smile sa mata sila. Dahil na, what's the smile? Laksa. What are the sign? Go. Big. Go. Sige. Ayaw sa anak. Okay. And then, one leg at the back, one leg in front. You adjust on your own. Careful, ha? Careful, guys. Distribute weight. One leg at the back, one leg in front. Go back, flip now. Lift your legs. Lift up. Lift up here. Flip now. Anna, stay there, this. Hang the knee. Straighten the legs. Point the toes, this. Anna, go to this in mind. Bend. Straight, bend. And 1, 2, 3, come out anytime.
Picture this.
Nice then. Nice smile.
Shake hands on your leg. Yay! Gonna get a picture of it. Hold your breath.
Good job. Nice one, guys. Basic upward entry. We're gonna do this. This is just to stretch our lower back. Open your hammock, sit down and open the hammock. Open it up.